I'm a Darmesh Patel. I have PhD in cell and molecular biology. I work for companies in the cell and gene therapy areas and supporting like a lot of clients who are like developing the processes in the cell therapy, autologous, allogenic. I supported earlier like Johnson and Johnson and the Center for Breakthrough Medicines for making those cell and gene therapy for solving the problem for patients. Yeah, there are like multiple challenges. First of all, the cost of goods is pretty high. Like when we are talking about this cell and gene therapy product, they are like not like inexpensive. They're like 400, $300,000 per dose. And especially like cell therapy, like is that in that range, but the gene therapy is even like much higher, 2 million to 4 millions. These are like not therapy according to every patients, and that's a one big challenge to solve for the pill, like how we can make it affordable. The building of plane, and the building of plane is like begin with very simple design. Now there are like a lot of iterations. Finally, we are like reaching at the stage where we can carry 1,000 passenger at a time. I think the cell and gene therapy is like going in the same scenario. We are like improvising in the processes. There are like a lot of like autologous, allogenic, but also like now in vivo. So in vivo is like one of the big thing for 2026, where a lot of companies, the bigger pharmaceuticals are like investing and trying to acquire the companies who are like doing in vivo therapeutics. You heard about like Capstan Therapeutic acquired by FV. You might heard about Eli Lilly is acquiring some of other like RNA-based therapeutics company. So the 2026 is gonna be like LNP, mRNA. It's more of like in vivo. There are like challenges, but that's like where the field is heading. The key highlight is like, the field is optimistic. What we are seeing is not just like miracles in the cell and gene therapy, but above miracles, it's a kind of like beyond the proof of concept. The therapeutics are working. It's solving the problems for like thousands and thousands patients, and it's curative. It's not like incremental changes. Like there are like a lot of cases where you heard the problem is gone from the root, and the patients are like surviving even after 12, 13, 14 years. The first patients what Carl June infused with their BCMA CAR T cell therapy or CD19 CAR T cell therapy is now like living the healthy life after even 14, 15 years. I met that person, Emily, myself, and had the conversation with her. So you can see like it's a miraculous in that way.